If you're interested in manufacturing, if you're interested in innovation, this is the place to be. My name is Karan. I am a fourth year mechanical engineer, and my role here is a production intern. So what that means is I'm helping out with the precision machining team. A proudest moment was for me creating up a project that I wanted on my own. I can work on a project that I find interesting, and I can take it from like a design up into manufacturing and like put it in a workflow that makes sense for the business as well. And I thought that was quite fulfilling, and like that kind of made me feel more part of the team as well. Having a team, having a vision, and kind of making it a reality, that's just the sort of goal. Manufacturing is one of those things where I felt like I can have that and also have impact as well. Like I can actually create usable things for people, for sort of companies, and like take very loose, abstract problems, turn them into something physical, understanding how to make them, how to integrate them. And I think making it really like holistic is like, feels really fulfilling to me. It's really been eye-opening to understand how much goes into the back of things as well. Like good systems are something you don't really recognize, and I think that's what we're setting up here. It's like how to make systems that frictionless and how to like make something from like a client order straight to like a manufacturing output without really thinking about it. And I think that's something I'm probably going to carry forward with me, and these are the sort of skills that I could implement in future places or I could use for myself in the future. And I think that's just been really valuable.